Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the F1 Clash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the settings button, and then at the account management button, look for the delete account button and just click on that, and then click on the yes button, and then you have to confirm this, and then it is deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.